Imagine a ship so powerful it can lift entire offshore platforms weighing thousands of tons. Meet SSCV Sleipnir, one of the largest and most advanced crane vessels ever built. Launched in 2019, this engineering giant was designed to handle some of the toughest construction jobs at sea. Equipped with two massive cranes capable of lifting a combined 20,000 tons, Sleipnir plays a key role in installing offshore oil platforms, wind farms, and underwater infrastructure. Its semi-submersible design gives it incredible stability, allowing it to perform precision lifts even in challenging ocean conditions. What makes Sleipnir even more impressive is its environmentally friendly technology. Powered by dual-fuel engines and advanced positioning systems, it combines enormous strength with greater efficiency and reduced emissions. From record-breaking lifts to cutting-edge engineering, the semi-submersible crane vessel Sleipnir is a true marvel of modern maritime technology and a symbol of what human innovation can achieve on the open sea.